Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install the scanner driver for a Canon imageRUNNER 2425. The same step also work for many modern Canon imageRUNNER printers. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the scanner driver. Open your web browser and go to the official Canon website. Search for your scanner model. Then download the latest scanner driver that matches your Windows version. Step 2. Install the scanner driver. Once the download is complete, right click the file and run as administrator. After extract is complete, locate the setup file. Right click it and select run as administrator. Follow the on-screen instruction and complete the installation. Step 3. Set up the scanner over the network. After the driver is installed, automatically open the Canon scanner setup tool, Color Network ScanGear 2 tool. Make sure your computer is connected to the same network as the printer. Select the network connection, specify address or search for scanner on the network. Then click search. Select your Canon imageRUNNER 2425 from the list and click OK to complete the setup. Step 4. Test the scanner. Now let's test the scanner. Open Adobe Acrobat, click on Tool and choose Scan option. Scan a document. Select your Canon scanner and scan a document. If you have no Adobe Acrobat software, you can also scan document using NAPS2, which is a free and easy to use scanning application. If the scanned document appears correctly, your scanner is ready to use. That's it. You have successfully installed and configured the Canon scanner driver. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.